Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to cover inheritance but from multiple classes. So we've already got a simple example where we inherit the car class, inherits from the vehicle class. If you don't know what's happening here, recommend that you go and check out the inheritance video and the subsequent videos which expand on that with videos for method overriding, property overriding, etc. Okay, you can't unfortunately just do this. So imagine if I wanted to create a new method, new class, and I'll do open class. I'll call it epic class. The name and the functionality for now is irrelevant, and I'll say fun for the function, and I'll say epic fun, and I'll do a print line for example. I'll say epic fun. Okay, if I want to inherit from it, the way you inherit multiple classes, essentially doing comma, and then you put epic class. As you see, we get an error. It says only one class may appear in the supertype list. If I were to put that as the first one, that's fine. Obviously, we get errors here because we can't find the properties. But if you just look at this line here, it's okay. So the way we get around that is it's very similar to the way it is in Java. So if you come from a Java background, this is going to feel really familiar. You essentially have to create an interface. So instead of open class, you create an interface where this is basically used for inheritance purposes. And now we've got an interface. That's it. Like inside of it, you just create it as you would like a normal class. Now, here, if you put comma and we put epic class, but you don't put open close bracket, they'll give an error because you won't have a constructor. And now here we can do car.epicFun, which was part of the interface that we just created. There we go. It says epic fun, and that was from this interface. So that's how you essentially inherit from multiple classes. You need to have an interface. A class can only inherit from a single, normal class, but you can inherit from as many interfaces as it wants. So that's how you do multiple inheritance. If you have any questions, because this can be a very complex topic, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.